Hi everyone, it's Angela and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can make a rainbow cookie, all from the same cookie as well. And for this I'm using a hybrid consistency royal icing in a variety of colours. I'll pop all the details in the description below for you. First thing I'm doing is starting off with the outline for the rainbow. So I'm using a few different colours for this. I've got my red, yellow, a green and then a blue to finish it off. And that's as quick as it can be to make your first rainbow cookie. I think it looks pretty nice with just the outlines, but now we're actually going to go ahead and we're going to fill those in. So originally when I started this video, I was going to do a stitching effect, but because it was quite humid when I was piping, my icing was a little bit thinner than I would have liked. So I've actually decided to change my plans and go ahead and just do a full flood instead. And that's the beauty of icing. Sometimes your consistency will change once you've bagged it up. If it's raining, for example, and you may need to just do something a little bit different than you've planned. But you can see because I started with a hybrid icing, it's actually going to give me that really nice volume to my icing and doesn't flood flat. So it's actually going to have that nice puffiness that we see on cookies these days. So now I'm going ahead and I'm piping my third colour. You'll notice that I didn't go ahead and jump straight to the second one because I want to make sure that I don't have my colours bleeding into each other. And I just want to have them set a little bit, and that's exactly what they will do as I'm going from one colour to the next. And my icing will crust over ever so slightly because I'm using a meringue powder in my icing, which means that it does start to crust fairly quickly once it comes into contact with the air. So now I've gone and I filled in that second colour, my nice yellow, just using my scribe tool to tap down any little peaks that occur. You may find that they do occur a little bit more frequently when you use a thicker icing, but it's perfectly fine. And I think I actually prefer using hybrid because it just gives me a little bit longer to work with it as well. Okay, so let's move on to our blue. And again, I'm not waiting for each of those colours to set. We're going straight ahead and piping all of them next to each other, but it does have that little bit of time to crust over just to hold that nice puffiness as well. And we'll finish off with our scribe tool again. And there we go, that's the second step done. So again, you could leave it like this. This looks great as a nice rainbow as well, but we are going to add some more details. So this time I have let the cookie set for a little bit longer. I just let it sit on the counter with a fan on it for a few hours so that you can see it's lost that shininess now. And then I'm just piping some details on top of some of the areas of the rainbow. And then to finish it off, we're actually just going to pop a little heart with my flood consistency icing in the middle. And there you go. But for one last thing, I think what we're going to do quickly is just go back with all our colours and outline each of the colours of the rainbow. And again, this is the same consistency of icing. You just want to take your time. That tip is very small in the bottom of our bag as well, so you're not going to have too much icing coming out. And then just make sure you keep it raised above the surface as you pipe, and you'll get that really nice rounded effect to the icing. And there we go, there's our cookie finish. So we had lots of different types of decorating with one cookie, 4 different designs, and you still end up with a really nice rainbow cookie. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to check out these other tutorials that I have on my channel. And make sure you comment and let me know which one of the cookies you preferred. Was it the first one with the outline, the second one with just the filled in colours, the third one with the detail, or the fourth one with the outlines on each of the colours as well? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.